Next, let us say that you need to integrate 4x minus 3 by root of 8 plus 3x minus x squared. So these are the form linear by root of quadratic. Here again the method is very straightforward. So what you need to do is you need to try to express the numerator as some alpha times d by dx of the denominator, that is quadratic in the denominator, plus some other constant beta. So to do that, what we do is root of 8 plus 3x minus x square is there in the denominator. So first what we do is write the differentiation of this. So what is the differentiation of the quadratic in the denominator? 3 minus 2x, right? 3 minus 2x. So write the differentiation. Next, adjust the x term according to the given question. So you need a 4x here, but you have a minus 2x. So I'll multiply it with a minus 2. So you get the 4x. Next, you adjust the constant. So you have a minus 6 here, but I need a minus 3. So I'll put a plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Now the numerator has been adjusted. Next, I'll split the numerator. So minus 2 times integration of 3 minus 2x by root of 8 plus 3x minus x square dx plus 3 times integration of 1 by root of 8 plus 3x minus x square dx. That is equal to minus 2 times, this of the form f dash of x by root of f of x. F dash of x by root of f of x. So what is the integration of f dash of x by root of f of x? So if you take this as t, the numerator will become dt. So t power minus half dt, that is t power half by half, is 2 root 8 plus 3x minus x square. That's the integration. Plus 3 times integration of, this is 1 by root quadratic. So use the method of completion of squares here. So let me do it separately. So 8 plus 3x minus x square can be written as minus of x square minus 3x minus 8, that is equal to minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square, x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 8 minus 9 by 4, that is equal to minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 32 minus 9 minus 41 by 4. If you take the minus inside this, 41 by 4 minus this square. So 1 by root of root 41 by 2 whole square minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. These are the form 1 by root of a square minus x square. So what is the integration? This integration can be separately written as 3 times sine inverse of x by a, x minus 3 by 2 by root 41 by 2 plus c. So the final answer is minus 4 times root of this plus 3 times sine inverse of x minus 3 by 2 by root 41 by 2 plus c. So x is not being multiplied by any separate constant. X is x itself. So I don't need to divide with any number. So I hope you understand how to solve linear by root of quadratic. You write the numerator as some number times d by dx of a quadratic in the denominator plus some constant, and then go forward.